This is Al Karama, Dubai. This is the side of Dubai that you don't get to see. All you know about Dubai is that Dubai is clean, it's beautiful, it's rich, it's expensive. But these are things that you don't get to see. In every big city, yes, there are some small slums. This is one of the slums here in Dubai. You can see how people live, how they dry their clothes. Yes, I've never come across burglaries like this. Like this ones, I've never come across here in Dubai, but you can see that depending on where you live, you can see how people live. No space to dry their clothes, so they have to dry their clothes outside. So this is it here in Karama, Dubai. You can see all the way up. This is how they live here. Yes, it's in the heart of town, but it's in the old Dubai. You should expect to see anything possible. So I'll just be taking you around. You can see this is how it is here in Al Karama. You're in one place just this moment, looking so clean and so nice, and then the next moment you'll be surprised what you get to see. A lot of things happen here in Dubai. You know, this is the parking lot, very nicely done. Most of the parking lots are underground and the buildings are up there, but you'll be surprised what you see. So this, like we said, this is the old Dubai. You can see it by yourself. This place, look, you can see it looks like an old village, yet it's in the heart of Dubai, very close to the city center. In fact, it's close to the major highway, the Sheikh Zayed Road that you know of, the famous Sheikh Zayed Road. Some of these buildings, you can see how they are. You can see, if I zoom in, see how dirty this place can be. Yes, this is how these are the places that nobody will show you here in Dubai. Yes, everybody says I'm living in Dubai, I'm living in Dubai, but when it comes to this kind of places, nobody will show you. You can see how ruggedly fixed all these places are. You can see some of the buildings already looking like they're gonna fall. So you can see for yourself. This is the Dubai that nobody will show you. Yes, you can see. But people are still living in these buildings. You can see the cracks. And this is not a one-story building. This already looks like a death trap. It's a death trap already. Anything can happen. This building is already dilapidated. It needs to be evacuated. But people are still living in it because they have access to electricity. They have their internet. They have access to electricity. Outside it looks this rough, but on the inside it could be really, really different. So I'm not judging them for staying here because everybody has his own conditions. Nobody is perfect. Everybody who is here would love to have a better place to stay, but as a matter of fact, they cannot. So this is the side of Dubai that people don't really talk about that much. Everybody goes to show you Burj Khalifa. Everybody goes to show you places, Burj Al Arab, and so on and so forth. So you can see it. Yes, there are a lot of people living here, but some of these houses are being rebuilt. You can see here, some of the houses are being rebuilt. Yes, a lot of them have been knocked down, and a lot are still standing. You can see the grader there. They knock up some of them, but you can see so many still having people on them. Yes, this is Al Karama in Dubai, and you find a lot of Indians, Nepalese, Pakistanis, and Africans living here. Today I decided to show you this place in the daytime so that you can have a view of what it looks like. Yes, like I said, no city is perfect. You can see from here in the middle, if you look very closely, you will see Burj Khalifa not far from it. Dubai Frame is not far from it also. So this is it. This is Al Karama, Dubai. You could be living in Dubai, but you're not living in Dubai. And it doesn't mean that it's perfect for everybody. Everybody has what he's looking for, and everybody cuts their priorities according to what they can afford. lay your head and sleep. And for some people, they really want to have something that would actually heal them. Yes, when they go to work, they come back, they have a good place. So you find a lot of people here and there. You can see this place how it is. See for yourself. This place is in the real center of Dubai, and this is how it looks. Yes, this house you can see from here. It's actually showing. Hi, how you doing? So you can see it yourself. This house has been evacuated, but still on it you will still see a sign that says family room, bachelor's room still available. So some people are still taking it, but it looks, the way I'm seeing it right now is like the windows have been pulled out. It means the owner maybe wants to pull the complete house down, or what they call it here, they say the house has collapsed. That means it has issues. If you look through the window, you will see how they have partitioned this house, share it, that nobody gets to show you. They talk about Dubai. They talk about the good side of Dubai. Nobody talks about the bad side of Dubai. But this is what it is. If you're watching this video, it's because I made this trip to show you this side of Dubai in the afternoon, so that you can get an idea of how it is. So I will leave this here, and I will see you guys next when I make the next video, which I'll be showing you the street food of Al Karama. But I wouldn't want to make this video too long so that you don't get bored. Yes, we keep pondering on the same thing over and over again, doesn't make sense. So I will try to show you the street food of Al Karama, where we'll be testing some food. Yes, these are the groceries you have here. You can see them here, closed here. Yes, they have their groceries. Everything is set like every other city. Yes, but at the same time, beside it, you will see old dilapidated building, overcrowded buildings. People are living and managing because that is what they can afford. The good news is that you can see how close it is to the Dubai frame, and the Dubai frame is like the demarcation between the old Dubai and the new Dubai. So if you're on this side of the frame, you're on the old Dubai, and if you're on the other side of the frame, you can see Burj Khalifa up there. If you're looking very well, carefully, you will see Burj Khalifa all the way there, and this side of it is the old Dubai. So visiting the old Dubai in Karama, you can see that they have a lot of dilapidated structures. They not only have old structures, but they also have new structures, and some are under like this ones. You can see they are undergoing renovations, and they will probably be sold at the end of the day. Yes, most houses in Dubai have basements, and that's where people park their cars to make space, make room for having a lot of cars. So you can see the old Dubai is not like it's that old, Yes, you can see some good structures right behind there. Yes, there are some big malls there behind, and you can see it's clean, good roads, electricity, water, everything they have here on this Al Karama side. This is how it looks. All the houses around here, you can see they are very, very old. They need to be renovated, but as a matter of fact, they have not been. So, but people are still living in them. Gradually, some are being pulled down, and eventually, I'm sure they're going to pull down a lot of them and rebuild new structures here and there. So until I see you on my next video, this is the Dubai they don't show you.